Hi, my name is Mr. Ferrex, and today we're gonna make slime. As you can see, Justin is our visitor here. He's my cousin.
Hi, my name is Justin, and we'll be making slime today with Mr. Fireworks.
Okay, let's get to it. So first, we need the glue.
Elmer's is the obvious choice.
Yeah. Oh, that's way more than this. We just put the back cap back on.
I'm gonna make some too.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, next we need the shaving foam.
Is that enough? Pretty sure that's enough.
That should be enough. Also,
Dang. Dang, Janine. Dang.
so now we need to mix this up.
We need forks.
We need forks. Or do you stay here?
Yeah. You want to go get some forks? Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be soon.
He's gonna be a rapper when he grows up.
I'm gonna make a
Now the
YouTube
next
channel.
step is to be mixing it. I think I made too much slime, too much foam. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
It's
you
gonna
put
come
too
out.
much.
Yeah, I did. Okay, let's start with the next step. So now we need saline solution. So we just add a drop at a time. Then we mix it again. Oh yeah. I think I need to put more saline solution. This is not coming good.
You're mixing. You put too much.
Yeah, I put too much. What the heck, Camila? Yeah, I put too much. Oh my goodness, I can't mix this. Here we go. We need more saline.
Can you get Penny? No, you cannot pass me the saline solution.
Oh my god. Here, put some more in here real quick.
I put like 3 drops in there.
Yeah, put like 3.
Okay, now let's mix this up.
Oh my goodness, this is so sticky. Well, not that sticky, but you can get the saline solution at Target.
Yeah.
2 bottles for $3.69. That's cheap.
Really.
Let me just add a few more drops. I'll
Dang,
slime all
Janine.
over me.
Dang, mister.
Oh my goodness. That should be enough.
Damn, Daniel.
Yeah, I need to clean up this mess. You're gonna be attending to help me, Justin.
Oh, okay, I guess.
My sister made some slime. Oh, this is perfect.
I'm actually fixing my slime.
I just need to knead it. I'm gonna put on some food coloring.
mixing it?
I think you guys put too much shaving foam.
Yeah, I probably did.
Yep, you guys are gonna.
So let's give me food coloring, Camila.
Okay, here's blue. Oh no, green. Because I need.
I'm gonna put on
I
blue.
need red.
Any blue?
Because
Shut up. I'll just put on yellow.
can I have red? Hold on, let me go wash my hands.
Look at ketchup.
Yeah, it actually does.
I'm gonna put a few green. That should do it.
And some
So
blue.
now some more mixing.
Can I have the red? Oh yeah,
It's gonna make like red or something.
red. 3 red. 2 blue.
Oh my god, I should have got a bigger bowl.
3 red.
Okay. 1, 2.
Oh no, I got yellow on it.
No.
Sorry. Oh,
Damn.
I'll just leave it like this for now.
So,
It looks so ugly.
can I
Eh.
get the blue again? Hold on, let me just.
Yeah, I need to pick up a huge mess.
This is called the experiment table, just for
Yeah.
you guys.
Give me some blue.
Yeah, I need the blue. You're getting yellow all over it.
So,
I can't. I don't.
can just hand over the world to make slime.
Yeah, this is.
Oh my god, my hands.
Pink. I have pink.
Look at my hands. I'm so dumb. Do not do this. Do not put food coloring while you're putting it in your hand. So, this
Do
is
not
cool.
put too much. Do not put too much.
Did I put all the colors I put? Put some red, Camila. So I just managed to put a bunch of red, but it doesn't look that much. And Justin, he finally got out of the plate.
Yeah.
So I already have a bunch of those. Later I'm gonna be making slime. I have a big mess to clean up.
It's finally probably coming out.
So this is making slime with Mr. Fireworks and
And Justin.
the visitor. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Peace.
Check out the next episode. Well,
And
we